In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sounds on the TikTok business account. Navigating the digital world of TikTok, especially for business purposes, can seem a bit daunting at first. But once you get the hang of it, the platform offers numerous creative ways to engage with your audience. Today we're delving into how you can enhance your videos by utilizing sounds on your TikTok business account, making your content even more engaging and relatable. First things first, let's get you logged into your TikTok account. Begin by visiting the official TikTok login page. If you have your account linked to Google, which is quite convenient for many users, select the option to continue with Google. This is a speedy way to log in without having to remember an extra set of credentials. Upon selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you want to use. If you're like me and have multiple Google accounts for different purposes, make sure you select the one that's linked to your TikTok business account to avoid any confusion. After you've selected your account, you'll be asked to confirm your choice by clicking continue. This step is just a confirmation to ensure that it's indeed the account you want to use to log into TikTok. Now, once you're logged in, the real fun begins. Navigate to the TikTok homepage, where you'll find a vibrant array of trending videos. But you're here to upload, so look for the upload button, which should be readily visible on the page. Clicking on upload will take you to a new page where you can choose the video you want to upload. Here you can select a video from your device that you believe has the potential to captivate your TikTok audience. Remember, the content you choose to upload plays a crucial role in engaging your followers, so choose wisely. After you've selected your video, the next step is to click on Edit Video. This is where the magic happens. In the edit section, you can trim your video, adjust its clarity, and most importantly for today's tutorial, add a sound. Adding the perfect sound to your video can significantly enhance its appeal, making it resonate more with viewers. As you explore the sound options, you'll notice a vast library of songs and sound bites at your disposal. Here you can search for and listen to different sounds until you find the one that best suits your video. Whether it's a trending song or a classic hit, choosing the right sound can breathe new life into your content. Once you've found the perfect sound, click on Use to apply it to your video. You can then preview your video with the sound to ensure it aligns with your vision. If you're satisfied with your selection, the next step is to click on Save Edit. This will apply all your edits, including the sound you selected, to your video. The final step in the process is to post your video. Make sure all the details are to your liking, including the caption and any hashtags you want to use for greater visibility. When you're ready, hit post, and your video, complete with your selected sound, will be live for the TikTok community to enjoy. And there you have it, an engaging TikTok video powered by your creativity and enhanced with the perfect sound. Remember, the key to success on TikTok is consistency and engagement, so keep experimenting with sounds and other features to make your content stand out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it helps you make the most of your TikTok business account by adding depth and emotion to your videos through sound. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, keep having fun on TikTok. See you in the next video.